This is a demonstration of the setup and installation of the Deventer Deco pole set. First, you'll want to begin by determining the space between your brackets. Measure the space between the inside edges of both brackets. If needed, you can make a light mark with a pencil on the track where the brackets will be located. You'll also need your finials to measure the space between the brackets and the finials to make two smaller strips to fill those spaces. Mark all three measurements on your plastic strip. And then cut your strip to size. With your strips cut, press them firmly into the top of the rod. After this, you would slide on the rings, tighten your finials, tighten your brackets, and then slide the brackets onto the wall mounts.